Hi, my name's Sid. I'm going to show you how to manual muscle test the Q pump. So the patient's going to be in supine, and if we're testing the right side, you're going to take both legs, bring it over to the right, stabilize the opposite side of the pelvis, and have the patient hold here. So hold, like that, and then flex. You go to the other side. You can either hold the arm like this, pull back, but to keep it standardized, I would go over to the other side. Stabilize the pelvis, hold here, and that's how you would test the tube.